Assalamu alaikum student. Today we are going to study about the chiasmata in meiosis and the chromosomal crossing over in meiosis. So first of all, we can study and try to understand the meaning of chiasmata or what is chiasmata. In the process of meiosis, we know that there are two stages, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. And the meiosis 1, in case of meiosis 1, they have prophase 1, which is divided into different divisions. Out of all that divisions in zygote stage, in the homologous chromosomes, they pair with each other. For example, uh, these two are homologous chromosomes. You can see here, these two are homologous chromosomes, and these are the sister chromatids. That one is the sister chromatids, but the green and white are non-sister chromatids. When these sister chromatids are going to homologous chromosomes are going to pair up with each others, and this pairing is very helpful because of the formations of chiasmata. Now that actually the chiasmata in the next stage, which is the patent stage of the prophase 1 of the meiosis 1. The non-sister chromatids of the homologous chromosomes are, this one is one chromosomes and this one is the other chromosomes. So they are the chromatids. So they are non-sister chromatids, while they both are sister chromatids. So they will happen that non-sister chromosomes, they are going to meet an X-shaped structures. When they are going to meet, the form the X-shaped structure like this. Due to the points of contact between the pair of homologous chromosomes, so this X-shaped structure is actually known as chiasmata. This structure is known as chiasmata. And this happens because of this point contact between the non-sister chromosome. During the process of meiosis, the chiasmata is very important because it is going to lead to the crossing over. So it is physically links the homologous chromosomes during the meiosis. So they are physically linked. If there is no X and the chiasmata formations, so there is no crossing over. So that this point is change the genetic materials. It will takes place by the help of crossing over. So some part of this non-sister chromatids will going to exchange, and we have the new genetic recombinations, and this is because of crossing over. So the chiasmata is actually X-shaped structure formed because of this point contact between the non-sister chromatids of the homologous chromosomes. And because of this, the exchange of genetic material takes place, and this genetic material exchange takes place by the help of crossing over. So that was all about the chiasmata in meiosis and the formations of chiasmata. Allah Hafiz.